Coming off of a bit of a wet weekend, and we continue with some wet weather across the area, breezy weather and cloudy weather for your Monday. We've been tracking the remnant moisture of the same tropical wave that brought us those rounds of showers over this past weekend. This continues to pull in still some moisture, enough to produce more showers and even some thunderstorms across the region. We've been tracking the bulk of the activity, at least at this very moment, up through Broward County. Notice we've got some heavy downpours and even a little bit of lightning. Few lightning strikes over the past 15 minutes. This is out near Hollywood Ridge Farms. We currently have some of this near and south of Driftwood Acres at the moment. Some heavy downpours there, extending out towards I-95 and out near Hollandale Beach. Down through the Miami metro, for the most part, we've been quiet. We saw a little spot shower skim South Beach a bit earlier on, but many of those areas momentarily dry. We continue with the breeze picking up out of the east today as that wave continues to exit, but as it does so, what we're also going to start to see fill in is a bit of Saharan dust. So rain chances a little bit lower today compared to yesterday. Still will have these fast-moving showers racing across the area, but they'll be pretty few and far between. That's going to be the case into your Tuesday. Those rain chances likely even a little bit lower, and that breeze will likely continue even as we head into not just tomorrow, but even Wednesday looks to be breezy as we continue with overall. It's just going to be this breezy stretch of weather to start off the work week. So for the remainder of today, notice some quick-moving passing showers will still be the case even as we head into this evening. Wouldn't quite rule out a few of those for those evening commuters, for the kids heading home from the bus stop today. It will remain a possibility. We'll continue with this swift easterly flow into tonight. A few more passing showers will also be a possibility as we kick off your Tuesday morning. So I would say grab the umbrella and just kind of throw it in the car. Use it when you need it with this kind of weather pattern. With the breeze, one of the main concerns there is going to be for boaters. We do have small craft advisories in effect through the day today. I would be not shocked if they were extended through tomorrow. In fact, I would expect it to be, as we're expected to continue with these breezy conditions. Tropical conditions across bays. Seas looking at 3 to 5 feet for Atlantic waters. The Florida Keys also have a small craft advisory in effect for the day today. Rough near shore. Expect those seas to be between 3 to 4 feet with that ongoing breeze out of the east-northeast. Across the tropics, quite a bit going on. We have 3 named storms on the map: Tropical Storm Franklin, Tropical Storm Gert, and what is now post-tropical cyclone Emily. So this is now just a remnant low, but all 3 of these managed to develop within a period of about 18 hours. We also have a tropical wave that we're keeping an eye on out towards the Cape Verde Islands, and we also have newly formed potential tropical cyclone, at least the National Hurricane Center as of the 11 a.m. update, or rather designating this as a potential tropical cyclone, meaning it's not yet a tropical system, but they are anticipating it to become one. With that, it is going to be pushing towards Texas. This is the same tropical wave that brought us the rain over the weekend and eventually bring actually some needed rain to southern portions of Texas by Tuesday, is what should be a tropical storm, where it will be taking the name Harold. That's where they have tropical storm warnings now in effect for those areas in blue. Tropical Storm Franklin is this area of thunderstorms out across the Caribbean. This is already bringing some heavy rain to areas like Puerto Rico, Hispaniola. Not going to be a threat to Florida, but it will continue to bring some heavy rain up through Hispaniola and even Puerto Rico through your Wednesday before it extends and pushes north out to sea. That's where they have tropical storm warnings also in effect there, and tropical storm watches in effect for the northern Dominican Republic. The rest of them, Tropical Storm Gert, Tropical Storm Emily, of course, post-tropical, I should say, not a worry to us, and we have that tropical wave that also is not anticipated to be a worry to the United States. Next 7 days locally, lower 90s in the forecast. Will continue with the breezy conditions as we head into a good chunk of this work week with daytime highs around 92 degrees.